for the first question, do you agree that all university students should be introduced and learn outdoor program? Which is I agree because of the first reason, the university students should have the basic knowledge about life, the survival. Because if during apocalypse, university student as a young and energetic one should have ideas and also knowledge how to survive that apocalypse. Then the second reason is for the mental health and also the physical health well-being, because students have their own stress. So during this outdoor program, they will release or reduce their stress throughout the activities. And also for the physical benefits is they will help to increase the stamina, coordination, motion, and all of it. So the third one, we can have or enjoy the excitement with the beloved one. So our trustiness toward others and also communication with others will also be improved. So it will help us in the college for the university student. Lastly, as a student, I also think that after a long day, we should have a rest of communication, social life. We should have alone time to release our hectic life, the urban life, avoid from the pollution, the urbanization pollution. So this will also help students to improve their academic results, and also they will be more focused to strive even further. Alright, for this second question, as I am a camp leader, I have been lost in the jungle alone. So I would like to categorize two categories differently, which is for the self-defense, also the second category, which is for rescue mission. So for the self-defense, I would like to have a small knife or a knife, any knife, and also axe and axe, then flint and steel. Okay, for the knife, I will use to cuff something which is like spear as a safety weapon for me from any predators that come for me. Then I will like to use the knife to carve any plate, wooden spoon, cup, and also to build any campsite. Okay, then for the small axe is being used to remove any obstacle, to cut woods for the fire fuels. And also the last thing for the self-defense is flint and steel, which is will help me to start the fire, except from the traditional way. Then for the rescue, I would like to have a compass, first aid kit, LED flashlight, and also lastly I would like to have a whistle. So for the compass, which is to get the direction, to guide me to the direction, except from using the sun. For the first aid kit, it is common for the jungle trekker or any person that go into jungle to have first aid kit for safety measurement, which is have any small cut, stop the bleeding. Okay, then for the LED flashlight, if at night, it will help me a lot during night. And also the whistle, I will not use it any random time, because whistle may attract the predator from far away, which is like the carnivores. Furthermore, discussion about second question. So first thing first, I would like to go to the higher ups mountain to search for any sign of life, or safe place that I should go. Using compass, I will go there. And then if I cannot see any life, I will follow the river, because usually any civilization will be built in the end of the river, or along the riverside. Alright, for the last question about box, which is urban bug outback. Do you think it is important for public or family to have one in their home or car? Which is, I strongly agree that you should have one for each family, because unlike the traditional bulbs, the traditional bulbs is purposely made for the wilderness survival. But for the urban bulbs are tailored to have unique challenges in the city. So it will help people to survive in the city. So I would like to tell about bulbs, what is it about, what it has contained. So the first thing, the most important in the city, which is food and water supply. So in the bulb, we have in urban bulbs, we have food and water supply, which is we can use it for, we can have supply for 72 hours. So which is good if we have a water or food shortage. So it will help us to survive. After that, basically all bulbs have first aid kit as a basic medical supplies or treatment. And in the urban bulbs, we have communication device such as telephones, satellite telephones, power banks, which is really important these days. And after that, we have flashlight and batteries. And lastly, but not least, which is multi-tool. So multi-tool is we can use such as screwdriver, knife, anything like that will help us to survive, to open things like door, any locks. So urban bulbs is really important.